I'm Dr. Farzana Mahmud, graduated from Chittagong Medical College. I passed SsAcademy Part 1 in 2011. Now I'm medical officer in Government of People Republic of Bangladesh. My husband, my daughter, they supported me a lot, other than it wouldn't be possible for me. Now I would like to share some of my experiences. I was planning to give MRCOG Part 1 exam for the last 2 to 3 years, but I was not getting any fruitful feedback from anyone who passed the MRCOG Part 1. I come to know about SsAcademy from Facebook and from one of my junior friend or colleague, you can say, Dr. Laila. And I came here. I started doing class here from September 2016, and after hard working of 5 months, now I'm here today in front of you, standing here, and I'm happy that I have passed MRCOG Part 1 on March 2017. I felt that the books that we read here, that provided from here for MRCOG Part 1 examination, is a complete guide and question bank, that is compilation of many important SBQ books. That's more than enough to pass the MRCOG exam. I felt that, and I would like to thank that we were lucky enough to get some of very good mentor as our mentors, such as Dr. Rabia Ferdousi Shoma Apu, Dr. Kamuna Harapu, Dr. Maria Hassan Kathy Apu. Especially Shoma Apu, we are grateful to her. She helped us in every possible ways. And I think that every smiling face is sitting here, all are grateful to Shoma Apu. She even helped us the day and night before our examination, sitting so far in UK. And lastly, I will conclude saying that if anyone has dedication to pass the MRCOG exam and faith on Almighty Allah, he or she will definitely be able to pass the exam with the guidance of SsAcademy, the books and tools provided by the SsAcademy. And lastly, thanks to Shumanta Kumar sir for arranging such a warming congratulation program for us. And I'm thankful to all the staffs and members of SsAcademy. They were being wonderful throughout the course. Thanks for patience hearing.